In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a project in Zoho CRM Projects. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn an existing project into a reusable template so you can replicate its structure quickly and consistently. Start by opening your projects area in Zoho CRM Projects. Make sure you're looking at the project you want to duplicate, ideally one that already has the tasks, milestones, and settings you want to reuse. It helps to double-check that the project is in a good state to copy, since whatever's in it now will form the basis of your template. Next, look for the three dots beside the project's title. This is the More Actions menu. Depending on your layout, you'll see it near the project header or on the right edge of the project row. Click those three dots to open the drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Create Template. Think of this as taking a snapshot of your current project. Instead of manually recreating tasks and settings every time, the template preserves the structure so you can use it again without starting from scratch. You'll now be prompted to name the template and add a description. Give the template a clear, memorable name that tells you exactly what it's for, such as the type of project or client segment it supports. In the description, add helpful context, what the template includes, what it doesn't, and any assumptions or prerequisites someone should know before using it. If your organization follows naming conventions, include details like a version number or date to make maintenance easier. This is also a great moment to remove any project-specific or sensitive details that shouldn't be standardized, like one-off notes or confidential references, so your template stays clean and reusable. When you're happy with the name and description, click Add Project Template. This saves the template to your template library. Behind the scenes, Zoho CRM Projects captures the project's structure and settings you're allowed to template, making it effortless to spin up consistent copies later. If you don't immediately see the template, give it a moment and then check your templates list. That's all there is to it. You've effectively duplicated your project by turning it into a template, which means less repetitive setup and more consistent execution. As a best practice, review your templates periodically. Keep names and descriptions up to date, and retire older versions when processes change. With this simple workflow, you'll save time, reduce errors, and ensure every new project starts on solid footing.